Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to use our new WMS. Uh, since our old WMS is not that user friendly, so we switch with new WMS, and hopefully our customer can be more happy about that. So yeah. And all the WMS, no matter the old one or the new one, no matter other even though other like company WMS, they basically the workflow is say like you need to create an account and then you create your product as a KU, and then after create a product you need to send the inventory, so you need to create an inbound order. So after create an inbound order, and then you can send the the inventory to our warehouse so we can know your cargo is coming, and we see the cargo, and then after the inventory arrive our warehouse, um and then you can create a outbound order. Better you need to create a small parcel outbound order, or create a freight forwarding order or FBA order. You also can use this WMS to create the outbound order. Yeah. So yeah, next slide. And the first step, you need to create a account. You need an account to log in. If you don't contact us for get the account. So yeah, and then you go to this website. So now I already like open it in here, and then you will see this page, and then you can since this can like have multiple language, can like Spanish, English, Chinese, Japanese. So yeah, you so that will more easy for like the our customer from different country and use different language. So yeah. And then after you get the account, and then you can like just like log in. This is our test account, so I just log in, and then you will see the the page, and then log in, and then you will see the inbound, outbound, like the dashboard, right? And then and then the and then after log in, and then you need to first thing you need to do is create a SKU. So yeah, you need to come to here, click product, and then click add. So you will need to here and product and add. Okay. So and then the second set will be like you need to fill in the information for your product. Like in here, let's say like backpack, right? And create a SKU. Please know that once the SKU is created, you're not able to like modify it. So and then and also, if you're selling on Shopify and if all other platform, so in case the SKU mess up, so we would suggest you just create the same SKU name as your other selling on other platform, and also the product name. So try to match the information in case something like in case mess up the information. And so also if the SK is not correct, like when we go if we're going to do the Shopify integration. If the SKU not the same name as you doing on the Shopify, then you only can do the manual match the SKU, not able to use the automated styling. So yeah, also they also restriction about the Chinese product name. The here the declare Chinese name and declare English name and cannot is more than 50 characters. So yeah, so you when you create better follow this rule, and also you need to put on your address code. So yeah, the custom code, which means the SS address code. So okay, let's try to make one SKU. Let's say ECW backpack 01, and then you can fill in the item size. Let's say like 20 cm, 10 cm, and 20 cm. Let's say 2.5 kg, and here put in the UPC code, and this line must fill. So if even though you don't have, you can make up one, and let's say I would say like this 001, and then you need to sense if this information is for the custom, so you must fill it right. So the Chinese name and the English name. If you this hiking backpack, then you need to put in hiking backpack, not just backpack. That will be better before more clearly to tell what's the purpose of this backpack. So try to put it more clearly what's the purpose. So yeah, and China. And the current, let's say 10 USD, and need to mention about here if the product building some headphone, and those you need they have battery inside, so you need to build in select this one build in but now we have backpack, so we spawn to general product, so we put in this one. And also if other you have the back have powder magnet and liquid the power band. If your power band you pure battery, this you need to fill in the correct one, otherwise it will be not able to pass the custom. Also it will be very dangerous if you are at this you are this type of product, but you just put in the general product, then maybe will cause if battery will maybe will cause fire, and if you are liquid and easy to cause fire, although some had required temperature, but if you don't you're not feeling the right, so it will cause fire. So we need our customer to fill in the right information. So I would select this backpack, I would select generally product. So yeah, also the custom code. And if you don't know how to find out your custom code, you can just like Google it, and then you will know you will there are a lot like about how to uh check your product custom code. You also can check on our website. We also have blog about how to find the custom code. So yeah, and then if you need the packing method required, and then you can put in here. And but now we not since this we just set up this system. We didn't create a package selection for customers like that yet, but we will do it later. And also here you also can set the inventory warning. This for some this function is for in case your inventory out of stock, and then you need to at a certain quantity you need to know. So you need to know so you can replenish the inventory. So yeah. Okay, I will just fill in this information. And then also if you are selling on Amazon, you have FN SKU, I would suggest you also put the FN SKU here. So in case in the future, so it will be more easy for us to understand. But I think also very hard for some customer if they selling on global, they're not just selling on US, they also selling on Australia, Japan, EU, right? So the FNSKU may be different than you don't need to put in it. And you can when you create the outbound shipment, and then you can you can let us know the FNSKU, attach the FNSKU on that shipment so we can know. So okay, we'll submit this. Okay, after submit, you will see the one I just create and vision file. When I create the backpack, right? So this step we are done. And also you can if you have a lot of SKU, you can download the template, and then you can download the template, and then you can put the information here. All the information just stay as the information we need to fill on at one single item, single product. So yeah, and let's keep going. Okay, we already finished the create the product SKU, and next step we need to do is create an inbound order. So for the inbound order, we will need to create warehouse inbound and add, right? And then we'll be here. And so for the warehouse, and you can select the our Shenzhen warehouse, and then you can select how the cargo coming is parcel or carton or pet. Most of our customers come as carton. And And for the inbound type, I would suggest all our customers like select this one for parcel. No matter you are FBA or small packages, then it will more easy to manage the, the inventory. If you create the favoring, then the system only calculate how many cartoon, not like how calculate how many unit for that SKU. So yeah, and you also like if you have some like no, you need ask no, and then you put in if you had the tracking number for after the cargoes shipped to our warehouse and out, and then you also can put the tracking number in here if they have, and you can also like put in like estimate when the day will be arrive at our warehouse, so our warehouse can know which day and then prepare receive the cargo. So yeah. And then after create the SKU and after create the SKU, now you can add the product. If you don't have the SKU, you're not able to select the product. So now I will just like here, just select the backpack I just create, and yeah, and then and here you can fill in like how many box is coming for this AQ. You also can like select like create like multiple SKU in here in a single pattern and how many pieces and 90s and the custom barcode, stop and box and the package size and the box the package weight. So yeah, if they have barcode on the on the box, you also can fill in it. So yeah, and then I will remove it since both our customers one, I think one carton we had not like this different SKU in single carton. Most case they will have different SKU and multiple carton. Now for this SKU, I'm going to send 10 carton, and for this SKU I will send 5 carton to our warehouse, and then all this will come together, and then I will select this one, the carton, okay, and each carton will be like 10 unit, 10 units, 10 units. Okay, and then I will fill in the weight, the size and weight. If you had this information, when I say 50, 90, 50, 50, 30, and 15 kg for each carton, and yeah. Also when if you had the packing for this inbound, and please also like upload the packing to the inbound order, so we can print out and know the detail too, and yeah. So okay, I just create the inbound, and here the inbound waiting. The one I just create, you can see the different uh, quantity, and you can see the detail here. Like this, for some like you don't have the the size of weight information. Yeah, sure, you don't you're not like have must fill in it. So yeah, it will be like this. Okay. So yeah, after we create this and create a inbound order, and then for next step is you need to pin the shipping label. The and ask your supplier attach the label on the carton. Let's say this one I reject gray, and then you can pin the box label, and we we recommend you select like this, and also put made in China on the label, pin the product name, and yeah, we also had mentioned on our instruction, so you can like follow the instruction like select what need to pin, and then you will create convert, then you will create a label. Yeah, you will see this label after you convert, and this label is for your supplier to 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 attach each label on the carton. So if you don't, you can think about it a lot. Our customers saying their inventory to our warehouse. If the carton there are no any information on the carton, then we are not able to know uh your who's this carton or this inventory belong to who. So yeah, it will be better you. So we will require all our customer to put in a label on the carton. So our warehouse can base on the label and check and out our warehouse management and to see okay, this cargo belong to this customer and this SKU and how many unit in the carton and the item name, right? So yeah, and also like there are not just one SKU and there are multiple SKU, then you will see like another SKU. So there the the boss number of the carton. So we will require all our customer ask your supplier attach the label before send to our warehouse. Otherwise, we will not able to identify your your inventory. So yeah, please do this. Okay. So for now, from from like create SKU to inbound order, then attach the label and then send out the the inventory to our warehouse. Then this is done. So yeah, next step we're going to do is create the outbound order. And if you have checking number, also please fill in the our WMS, so we can also can know more clearly.